Okay.
I will just go and then let's see what documents you can provide, or
Okay.
if you can marry the earlier the
The
better.
better, yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. We're trying to get her NSO together. That's been the problem. Yeah.
Because that's the only major requirements
Yeah.
that the
Okay.
bank asks for us to submit.
Right, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Can you hold it for a while?
Yeah, I guess so. I was taking a video because Kajari was asking about the infrastructure of Cebu and whatnot.
She's so sleepy here.
Yeah. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Got it? Got it? Okay. Got this one in here. We'll do with my phone. I'm taking video now.
Hello. What did you talk about?
Well, just the requirements, because there's still, where's the real there? They're still saying that, I guess, to get a loan,
Is she her again?
yeah, I guess I'd have to have a marriage certificate. But I
Is there another?
no, that'd be crazy. That'd be too complicated too. Why would I do that? So anyway, I'm gonna go back home and talk to BPI, not BPI, B&B, because B&B Los Angeles says that they can do it. The laws are different, so I'm gonna see about that. Otherwise, I have to.
So you will just wait until you go home.
I think I have to, yeah, but I won't.
How
get
about
it.
we will still go to the main bed?
Well, yeah, if Sharina's friend's available and she thinks she can do it, then fine. We'll see. We'll figure things out. This is Ayala Center here, Kajari, if you're wondering. Anyway, this is a mall. You can see all of it. This is more or less the entrance. We're not in my lots of buildings. It's huge. There's no malls I know of in the U.S. except for the Mall of the Americas, but it's on this scale. And they're building an even bigger one, even closer to Cordova. You can tell the taxis coming in here. But just to give you an idea, the terraces, which are near here, better way you can go in. They're like 4 stories. Terraces basically they're like open areas. You should take a look at the balconies. And they're like 4 stories tall, 4 levels. There's all kinds of restaurants, everything that you can think of here. I guess in all these office buildings around here as well, and different businesses and things. This is a restaurant here, I think. Yeah, we're headed back. They're thirsty. We're looking for something to drink. We're gonna go up, I guess, level. Take us into the mall. Oh, this is closed. I think you have to go in by Starbucks. That's the main entrance. They're probably the only one that's open. Looks like they're doing some work here. There's a Starbucks here by the taxi entrance, as you'll see. Yeah, that's for the parking downstairs, basement also, yeah. But we're quite a ways. I'm surprised how massive that parking is. That's all the way over on this side.
Pwede nang ito'y. Pili na sa quantity?
Oh, pet na to daw inside, sir.
Okay. Manyasam ka ni mukaon ron di man
Well,
pwede.
yes, we won't be able to do that. Because Jelani has a dog with her and they don't know.
Asang working na nandito pero
But you can kind of start to see just the entrance here. And some of the terraces.
dito?
It goes way around the big open area. Try to show you more of it if I can before I leave.